Då har vi giraffen. Is it possible that the lion is going to hunt the giraffe? Thanks. This is amazing! This is incredible. Look at it. This is amazing. Can we? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Is it dead now?
It's amazing sight.
That is amazing.
Just to finish up the day. Finish up the day with this. Hear that noise which we heard, just like the
What was that? They're not quite sure what to do.
What do y'all feel like for dinner tonight?
Is she exhausted, the mom?
Yeah, she's still tired. You can see how she's breathing.
She must be tired.
Is that just one dinner?
Moment.
He's saying, Mama, thank you.
It's a great sight.
That is amazing.
Whoops, is still alive. Look at that guy. Look at that.
Holy shit.
Oh, poor baby. That's horrible. Oh my God.
Tricolores. I wanna do the video.
Are you crying, Becca?
No, but I really want to.
Yeah, I'm up talk to you. Can come in, I think. Yeah, it's still beautiful. The sun is going down.
This is not beautiful, honey. This is sad.
That's still a little one.
How old do you think that giraffe is?
Still a small baby, maybe a couple of days, maybe a week old. Did you see that? It's just amazing sighting. That's what you said you want to see.
Yeah, I wanted to see it killed.
It's a live kill right in front of you.
You can't even kill it.
What you can tell us, how many times in life will you see something like this?
Yeah.
It just comes once. Look at that, look at that, guys. Look at that. Mobile, Talibon, but Talibon.
Yeah, that mother will get it.
Look at the mother.
Oh.
That's so sad.
That's amazing. Look at that. Look at that side. Amazing sight.
You're sick, Silas.
Amazing. You'll never see something like this. Never.
That's how they left. That's how they left.
Becky, you just get the pictures. I'm gonna video it.
That's nature.
This thing is just happening right 2 meters away from you.
Are you crying? Silas, you're sick.
It's amazing.
How are you crying?
Well, I've never seen this kind of a thing
You haven't?
happening in front of me. I've never seen something like this.
Wow.
It is.
Did you start the car?
No, I thought it's gonna walk to us.
Is it crying?
Are they?
They're all licking it.
I wouldn't want to be shot. She's going to show me how to do it here in a minute.
She has injured her paw, looks like.
Your foot first.
Suits her well.
Your tool.
It's a fantastic sight.
Is it dead yet?
Maybe not.
I'm not crying.
I think the mother's going to go ahead and kill it.
Is she suffocating it?
Yeah, she's killing it now.
Just take out.
Look at that. Look at that.
Holy shit. Look at her breathing, the mom.
She's tired.
Did she do it?
You know, just enjoy it and just watch it. Just that behavior is just a fantastic thing to watch. I think she has injured herself.
Is she limping?
Yeah, maybe the giraffe stepped on her paw there.
Suits her.
See, the baby giraffe is still breathing.
What was that? Who?
Manyana tutwa still tsela. Wakatile mosadi tao mo leotong, mosadi tao thotsa. And then the Banyana Tutwa now trying to break open into this Banyana Tutwa.
Oh, fuck.
Oh. Mother's going to have to deal with this again.
Ooh! Oh, don't fuck with my babies, she said.
You're touched now.
Batata Gwanwaka is.
Where is she? It's because it's exhausting. This is a hell of a video.
You should see the picture I just got.
I'll email you this video, Silas.
It's amazing. Are you taking it?
I'm videoing it.
I will appreciate that.
Put this on YouTube.
Poor Norman.
You never see this in
No.
life.
Do you think
Never.
the mom's okay?
She's got to be hurt.
Look how she's breathing. She's exhausted.
Do these kids know what's going on with the mother?
But that's like what happened to the leopard, right?
I wish they would just go ahead and kill the giraffe.
Really shoot them.
Yeah, she's tired, eh?
Yeah.
Still very tired. Because
Like, how
the
much
throat-
energy do you think it took for the giraffe to stand up?
It's quite a lot of energy. You can see she's not even sitting up.
Oh, what's she doing?
Notice none of the other giraffes are here to help her.
Look at that. Look at those eyes. Eh?
Fuck.
That's the mother of the giraffe. That's the mother of the
Oh,
big giraffe
shit.
walking around there.
That's so sad.
This is what tears me apart.
That's the mother of the giraffe walking around there.
Why is she?
I don't want her to find
I hope she don't come over here. Do you think she'll come over here, Silas?
Well, she has seen everything. She's so tall and she's able to see everything from that distance.
So sad. This has been quite a day.
Was that another lion?
That's an elephant.
Oh.
It's amazing sight.
Devils. You want to tell her how well behaved they are?
You wanted to talk to her about her motherly.
I can't believe she got hurt. What a dinner.
Does that fill them all up, all four of them?
Yeah, it should be enough.
He says,
thanks,
Mama.
Look at that other giraffe way
So, did you see that other couple been kicked?
She's like at one
Is it dead yet, I wonder?
Oh, I think so.
Oh, fuck.
Mobile Siana obone tuto eme kadina ha. Siana obone tuto obola tawan.
I've had it with you.
It's a strong giraffe.
All right.
No, just kill him.
Let's go ahead and get it over.
Put him out of his misery.
Har ken na latile. Niki ke tsa go nyana mo la ne mo.
Oh, it's dead.
Not yet.
No?
No, it's still alive. Still alive.
Dad, give us an up close and personal.
That's some sort of training.
That was not a very good killer.
Like she has injured herself.
She's exhausted.
Will her feet or her, will she be okay, the mother?
Yeah, I hope so. It depends on how it is. It's very hard to like. If you see a limping, it's a good injury. Might have stepped on.
Då har vi giraffen. Is it possible that the lion is going to hunt the giraffe? Thanks. This is amazing! This is incredible. Look at it. This is amazing. Can we? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Babulele tirikule bata tulana.
Is it dead now?
It's amazing sighting.
That is amazing.
Just to finish up the day. Finish up the day with this.